Here is the fuse which was blown by shorting the extruder heater with the thermistor. This is Prusa's GitHub page where you can find your printer's firmware. Make sure to select the correct printer model. Every link is in the description below. Download the firmware as a zip archive. Unpack the .zip archive with WinRAR or 7-zip. Go to arduino.cc and download the 1.8.5 version and install it. Click on previous releases to get there. Now follow the setup tutorial from the Prusa GitHub repository. First you have to reference the Prusa GitHub board manager so Arduino can load the Prusa board properties. Just copy and paste the link to the Arduino text box. Hit OK to confirm the changes. Now open the tab Tools and click Board Manager. A new window will open where you search for Prusa in the search text box. You should see two entries. I've installed the second one since I don't have the MMU2. Modify the compiler flags and platform.txt. Hit the Windows key and type %appdata. Go a step back and open the folder local. Follow my path to the desired file. Open the platform.txt with a text editor like WordPad. Find the line we need to change. Copy and paste the line from Prusa's GitHub guide into the platform.txt document and replace the current line from the text file. Make sure to make a backup, otherwise you might have to reinstall Arduino again. Save the text file with Ctrl.S or with the drop-down menu. Open the unzipped firmware archive. Select the file which corresponds to your printer model. Copy and paste it into this folder. Rename the new file to configuration_Prusa. Copy and paste the newly copied and renamed file back into the main folder. Open Arduino 1.8.5 and open the firmware INO from the unzipped Prusa firmware folder. Make sure that you've selected the correct board. Click the downwards arrow on the right and navigate to pins_Einsy_1_0.h and open it. Here you can find the configuration of the pins of the board. Scroll down until you find the part that I've highlighted in yellow. This is the part where it is defined which extruder uses which thermistor. Einsy RAMBos have 3 thermistor connectors on the board, 1 for the bed, 2 for the extruder thermistors. Find the following lines of code and comment them out by adding // in front of the line. Copy the line defined temp1 pin and paste it to the row above. Now repeat vice versa. Now you have swapped the connectors J2 and J3 from the board, like you see here in this image. Make sure to save the file Ctrl+S or save the file via the drop-down menu. Hit Sketch Compile in order to test if the file works. You can export the firmware as .hex in order to flash it via Prusa Slicer to the printer. Hit Sketch and export compiled binary. In order to find the file, click Sketch, show Sketch folder, and a folder will open. Search for the .hex in the search text box. That makes it easier to find the file. Cut the file from the folder and paste it to your desktop. Open Prusa Slicer. Hit Configuration, search for the file and load it into Prusa Flash menu. Now you are ready to flash the firmware to your printer. Be careful when tinkering on your printer. I hope you liked it and it was a help for you. For me, it fixed my issue. Thanks for watching and happy printing.